Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can repair your MagSafe 2 charger. So this one here I have accidentally left it in the rain and the pin got rusted and damaged, so we're going to repair it with a new cable. Now this one here you can purchase online for a few dollars. They are not expensive, so you can purchase online. Once you got this cable, we can then perform the repair for your MagSafe charger. Now there are two options. You can either repair from the charger, so here we can replace this whole cable, or we can simply cut the cable and join it. So we can join the cable right here, around here. We can join the cable together. So that is up to you. Now I find that these original cables are very flexible. You can see how flexible it is. I can bend it back and forth. Whereas this cable here online, this part here, the rubber, is very stiff. So I don't really like this one that much. So I prefer to simply cut it and then join it down here. Also, when you open this MagSafe charger, we have to pry it open. So we need to take out the clip on both sides, and then we need to pry it open. Once this is opened, it is very hard to put back. You need to glue them together to put it back. So for that reason, I prefer to keep everything stay intact. It is nice and perfect. We don't need to really open it. We can simply just cut this joint here, and we're going to join the connector down here. Okay, so first I'm going to cut the connector right here. So cut it away from the top, just somewhere down here. Okay, so we're just going to cut that, and then we're just going to cut to get an opening. Okay, I'm going to... So maybe not too much, because I'm going to weld this together. Just do it gentle, because you don't want to... Or even just around here. The whole cable right there. So just use the scissors and then go around the white protective cover and gently cut it out. Okay, so I'm just going to pull it out. The white protective cover. So that's the cable right there. One on the outside and one on the inside. And the other one is protected by another plastic cover. And here we got another one as well on the inside. I'm going to use a scissors and cut that part out. Again, just be gentle and do it slowly so that you don't accidentally cut through the cable. Just going to clean this one up. Easier to access the other positive white cable. So the one in the white right here is the positive cable. So we just need to cut it out to expose the actual electrical wire underneath. Okay, here I'm going to pull it out, and now it's exposed the positive wire underneath. This one here. Now before we do anything, any soldering this one here to join the cable with the wire, I'm going to test it out to make sure it is working. Okay, so I have separate the wires. Just going to cut out this part right here to clean up. Okay, I'm going to test it first. So here, I will test the connector first to make sure the connector is working correctly before we go ahead and do anything else. So here I'm just going to plug it in and then join the cable. Just going to join this wire here just to make sure the positive and the negative are properly connected, and I'm just going to unplug that and then plug it back in. And you can see the light turns green and then red, means it is now charging. And seems to be working fine. My laptop shows that it is now charging. Okay, here I will also cut the wire on the new cable. Okay, now I'm just going to add some soldering on. Okay, then we're going to tape it up. Okay, so here is the cables, and we're going to test it. You can see it is now showing the light charging. And here I will start to tape it up. This does not look very nice, but at least you get to use the very good cables, the original Apple cable. Here you can see it's charging up my battery up to 12% already. Okay, I'm going to use a heat gun. And that's it. That's how you can repair the broken or faulty MagSafe to charge a pin or the plug for your MacBook Pro. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.